to our programming series. This is going to be a series of JavaScript tutorials. And the first JavaScript tutorial, what I wanted to show you was how easy it is to get started with JavaScript. You don't actually need any additional software. Any laptop that's got Windows on it is already equipped to do JavaScript programming. For example, the program Notepad, I think, has been on computers ever since Windows 95. So going back almost 21 years. So if you've got any sort of Windows on your computer, you'll have Notepad. And if you've got Notepad, then you can do JavaScript programming. So I've just opened up a new Notepad document here, and I'll start by giving it a doc type. We'll say doc type HTML. I think doc type should be capital. And we'll close the HTML. Then we'll have a head section, and so we should have an HTML tag in there as well. And we'll have a head section. And we'll have a body section. This is just the markup I'm doing first of all to sort of start the JavaScript page. So it's just HTML I'm writing at the minute. So this is just a standard HTML document. The head section generally holds the information that you wouldn't normally see in the main body of the page, like the title of the page and so on. And the body section holds what you'd see in the main content of the page. So we'll put in the title, we'll call it my first JavaScript. And in the body section we'll put something fairly simple. We'll do our first JavaScript. So in HTML, anything between the script tags is recognized as JavaScript by the browser. So we'll put in here, in between our script tags, we'll just make this a little bit bigger so you can probably see it a little bit. It's not giving me any options here. So script tags, so anything in between these two tags is going to be recognized as JavaScript, and we can just do the JavaScript function alert, we can call that. So we'll do alert, and we'll put in the alert box. Hello World, and then we'll say this is my first JavaScript program. Cool. So that's us written our first JavaScript program, and we'll save that on the desktop, and we'll just save it as an HTML document on the desktop. So we'll say JavaScript.html. So let's save that, and let's see if we can load that. So let's double click on that. We should get our alert box. Yep, here it's up here. Yep, this page says Hello World, this is my first JavaScript program. And if we load it again, we should get that alert box again. Yep, Hello World, this is my first JavaScript program. So it's all working fine. Just to show you, let's open this up in Notepad++. How it actually works is this alert function in JavaScript is a method which basically creates an alert box on the screen like you saw, and in the parentheses you can pass in the message which goes into the alert box. Once we get past the script tag, the browser knows it's JavaScript. If we didn't have these script tags here, this alert function wouldn't get recognised as JavaScript's alert function, because the browser needs to know it's dealing with JavaScript, and it knows it's dealing with JavaScript once it gets to these script tags. And then the rest is just standard HTML markup. So that's you written your first JavaScript program. Well done. I hope you join us in the second JavaScript tutorial. Okay, thank you.